This tutorial video is for the Common Service Center or CSC user to register or log in for the first time in NBOCWWB Welfare Board. Before proceeding with the registration, make sure to have your CSC ID and mobile number. Go to the CSC login page. Use the URL as shown in the screen. Please note that the default username is CSC ID and password is mobile number for the first-time user or to register. Enter your CSC ID. Enter your mobile number as default password. Enter the CAPTCHA. Now click on Login. Once your details are verified, it will redirect to a new page to enter your new email ID and password. Enter your new email ID. Re-enter the email ID for confirmation. Please note that password should be minimum of 8 characters with alphanumeric and special character. Enter your new password. Now click on Update Email and set password. On success, a confirmation message will be displayed. Now use the new password to log in. Enter your CSC ID. Enter your new password. Enter the CAPTCHA and click on Login. That's it. This is how you can register in NBOCWWB Portal. For any technical assistance, kindly contact the help desk. Thank you for watching.